welcome back to Home Decor 101, your little corner of YouTube for all things stylish and beautiful in the home. Today, let's jump into a home decor quickie. Blue is one of the most versatile colors you can bring into a bathroom. It's calming, refreshing, and perfect for creating a spa-like vibe. From soft powder blues to deep navy tones, blue works beautifully in both modern and traditional spaces. A light blue bathroom paired with crisp white tile gives off a really clean coastal feel. Just think like Cape Cod charm. If you want something a little more dramatic, try navy walls with gold or brass accents. It adds instant sophistication without being too heavy. And let's not forget about blue tile. A patterned blue and white floor or tile or a sky blue subway tile backsplash can make a stunning statement, especially in small bathrooms where you want to make a big impact with minimal effort. Blue also plays well with natural materials. Think woven baskets, wood vanities, and marble countertops. The contrast creates a balanced, timeless look that feels both warm and refreshing. So whether you go bold or keep it soft, a blue bathroom is always in style. Let me know in the comments, are you team navy, powder blue, or somewhere in between? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a tip or an upload from Home Decor 101. No matter if you choose to go blue for your bathroom or just plain old neutral, it's up to you. The best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a feeling of gratitude. I'll see you in the next one.